so video round. Video is very cool. When you're ready to take just say
must be very bad. There have been laser precise with the headset. I've seen people already.
Are you?
Oh my god, yeah.
Just like that.
No, if he doesn't delete it, it's going to show on his Facebook page.
I saved it anyway. I saved it.
You save it. Okay.
Yeah, you can send that to them.
Okay, save it. You save it.
You can send that to them.
You save it.
Hey. Oh, we can do that bit again.
Okay. You deleted it. Okay, we can do it again. We can do it again.
One to go about again. Interviewing that guy again. Huh?
Yeah.
Where's the guy?
Do it well.
I'm wearing a mask. Oh my god. Báyìí ń bọ̀, ṣé ń bọ̀ wá báyìí? Ṣé ń bọ̀ wá báyìí? Ẹ tún bọ̀ wá báyìí náà. Hello.
Can you check my message for me? I think he's sending me a message. Leave this message.
Okay, just speak to 1 or 2 people now. Okay. Speak to 1 or 2 people now.
Okay.
See that guy the English.
Speak to your mom.
Alright, so just speak to him immediately. I'm going to introduce him.
You can just talk to me.
Okay, just start talking.
Ask him.
Alright, how are you? What's your name? Yoruba?
Ajadi Majid Adeleye.
Okay, what are you here for?
Àwa bí nítorí bàbá wa Sunday Olóyè Ìgbòho tí èyí tí ìjọba Benin tí wọ́n dá dúró síbí.
Okay, what do you want? You want him sent back to Nigeria?
Fẹ́ kí wọ́n gbé fún Nàìjíríà rárá.
Why?
Nítorí wípé ẹnìkan ni tó jẹ́ pé òun ló ń gba gbogbo àwa ọmọ Nàìjíríà là fún àwọn apààyàn tó wà lọ́hùn. Wá lọ ni wọ́n ti lọ sílé rẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti lọ bà ilé rẹ̀ jẹ́ tí wọ́n dẹ̀ pa àwọn èèyàn méjì sínú ilé yẹn. Wọ́n pa àǹfà kan wọ́n dẹ̀ pa ẹnìkan náà bẹ́ẹ̀. Lẹ́yìn yẹn a tún lọ sí láti kan ní Ọjọ́ta wá lọ wọ́n tó pààyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ẹ̀rí a tún kó àwa èèyàn gírísà. Wọn ò tí ì tàwọn tí wọ́n fi sí tàwọn tí wọ́n mú nílé rẹ̀ àtàwọn tí wọ́n mú ní kí wọ́n tí ì fi sílẹ̀ inú tí wọ́n fi lé ìsílẹ̀ fún yín. Àwa ọmọ Benin tí ó wà ní Nàìjíríà lásán bí wọ́n ṣe ń pa wá bí wọ́n ṣe ń kó lára wa àwọn bá ti ń gbọ́rọ̀ orúkọ bàbá yìí òun ló máa ń rìn ní ìtura sílẹ̀. Ó sọ pé òun lòun ní jẹ́ ẹ̀ǹdíkà fún gbogbo àwọn tó àwa ọmọ Benin táwa lọ́hùn tí wọ́n bá ti pákó láàrin wa wọ́n á lè ráyè pa gbogbo wa táwa lọ́hùn ìjọba wọn á lè rí àti wọn fẹ́ dá fẹ́ kí wọ́n filẹ̀ ìbẹ̀rù bójú ẹ̀ ní jẹ́ kí àwa máa rìn láàrin ìgboro Nàìjíríà ẹjọ́ ẹ má gbé fún ìjọba Nàìjíríà ẹ filẹ̀ sí Benin àbí kí n jẹ́ kó máa lọ sí Jámánì rẹ̀ jẹ́jẹ́ kó má lọ sí Nàìjíríà o tó bá lọ sọ́run wọn á pa ni torí àwọn ọkọ̀ ẹ̀ ti pa àwa tí a wà níbí àṣìkò síbẹ̀ ni wọ́n pa Abíọ́lá wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ àfẹ́ ojoojúmọ́ ayé wọ́n ń dúgbò ẹ̀yàn bẹ́ẹ̀ ní dúgbò ẹran wọ́n ń bá ìyá sùn wọ́n ń du ọmọ wọ́n ń bá bàbá sùn lójú wọ́n ń bá ìyá sùn lójú bàbá àfẹ́ àlè dápọ̀ àlè ti kankan ẹjọ́ ìtorí Ọlọ́run ẹ má bá wa gbé fún ìjọba Nàìjíríà o àfẹ́.
Orúkọ ti tèmi ní Mikael Ajíbádé ọmọ ọ̀dọ́ lèmi àbúrò mi ní Sunday tí ó wà níbàyí léèrè tí ìjọba torí ẹ̀ wà níbàyí. Nǹkan tí a fẹ́ tí gbogbo a fi péjọ níbàyí léèrè ni pé a jọ arọ ìjọba Benin gbogbo ẹjọ́ tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ dá kí wọ́n yanjú gbogbo everything ní Kútọ́nù níbàyí àfẹ́ kan gbé Sunday lọ sí Nàìjíríà pé àwọn ìjọba Nàìjíríà ìjọba apààyàn ni wọn gbogbo ẹni tó bá ti ń sọ òótọ́ wọn ò kí ń tẹ̀lé àfẹn tó bá ń parọ́ nítorí ìmọ̀ títí wọn nìkan gbogbo àwọn tó ń kidnap àwọn èèyàn tó ń já àwọn èèyàn gbé gbogbo àwọn tó ń gbé K47 lọ́wọ́ kiri wọ́n wà ń bẹ̀ wọn ò lọ gbé wọn wákìlì wà ń bẹ̀ wọn ò lọ mú wọn many people wà ń bẹ̀ láwọn ọ̀dà wọn ò lọ mú wọn wọ́n mọ ní wọn ò lọ mú wọn Sunday Igboho ó wá jẹ́ pé ibi tí ilé ẹ̀ wà lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ àwọn náà ni wọ́n lọ́yàn lọ wọ́n lọ finá síbẹ̀ wọ́n tún wá lọ kọ ilé ẹlẹ́kejì ibi tó ń gbé wọ́n tún pa èèyàn méjì sí ní ọrùn so wọ́n tún fáwọn èèyàn lọ. àwọn Lady K Omíyalé Táíwò gbogbo wà ní kọ́tọ́rọ̀ àwọn DSS l'Abuja till now oúnjẹ kí ni wọ́n fún wọn bẹ̀ omi wo wọ́n fún wọn mu kí ni ẹ̀sùn tí wọ́n kà sí wọn ní ọrùn tí wọ́n fi gbé wọn lọ síbẹ̀ ìjọba Nàìjíríà wọn ò tẹ̀lé òfin so ìjọba apààyàn ni wọ́n àfẹ́ kí wọ́n gbé Sunday àfẹ́ kan. Sunday kì í ṣe kírímínà o ó ń jà fún human rights ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn ló ń jà fún nílùú yìí òun jẹ ní ó fi àwọn èèyàn ní ọkàn balẹ̀ nílé àti lóko èèyàn gidi ni o àfẹ́ ìpalára fún àwọn náà ni wọ́n lọ kó gbogbo ilé ẹ̀ tí wọ́n bà nǹkan jẹ́ tán spoil many things nínú ilé ẹ̀ ṣe àdúpẹ́.
So Sunday Iran. Why doesn't he not feel safe in Yoruba land? Why did he run?
We can't expect him to stay as Nigeria land.
But it is Yoruba land.
It's Yoruba land.
And he should be safe, he should be secured by his people.
Yeah, because Nigeria is something that we know I don't know how to, we are on live.
Yeah.
So, Nigeria is something that is not secure for people that say right. Nigeria is not secure for whoever that's saying right. So, and we cannot expect him to stay in Nigeria. You invade his house first time, but people burn his house. Second, they invade his house, kill two people, and take some people away. So we cannot expect him to stay in Nigeria. So you have to look someone else to stay. That's why he leave Nigeria. That's why he leave Nigeria for Benin. So on his Germany, he was captured here. So with they should not release him for Buatai or for Buhari, please. So that is what I can.
Thank you very much. That's all for now. We are still live at the the court of appeal in the Republic of Benin in Cotonou, where a lot of Sunday Igboho fans are numbers, and as time goes, they're coming in more and more. Now, what we do know is that he was supposed to be here at 10 a.m. but right now it is 11 a.m. and there's still been no sign of Sunday Igboho, and they are getting increasingly frustrated. Another elder here, I would like to add, we have some elders here.
Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí, nǹkan tí àwọn Haúsá Fúlàní tán ṣe fún ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kìí ṣe nǹkan dáadáa. Àwọn bàbá wa ò lè lọ sóko mọ́, gbogbo àwọn ìyá wa wọn ò lè lọ sí odò mọ́. Ní wọ́n bá lọ báyìí pípa ní apá wọn, ẹni wọn pa wọn bá sùn. Èèyàn wá ń jà lórí ẹ̀tọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀tọ́ fún ọmọ Yorùbá. Kí ni nǹkan tó ṣe? Lọ bá wọn mọ Gúnmi, wọ́n mọ Wákìlì, gbogbo wọn kò sẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọn ò mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Kí ni nǹkan tí Sunday Igboho ṣe ẹ ti jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn nílẹ̀ Yorùbá? Kì í ṣe gbogbo nǹkan jẹ́ ṣe nísìnyí. Èèyàn pa Abẹ́lá lórí, wọ́n pawó lọ́wọ́. Kí ni nǹkan jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ fi ṣe tó lè pé wàhálà fi ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí ìjọba Nàìjíríà? Ẹ bá sọ fún ìjọba Nàìjíríà kó
ẹ ṣe gidi gan tó bá ti bọ̀ wá máa wá
tó pé ìjọba Nàìjíríà ìjọba àpàlẹ̀ kò sẹ́ni tó máa ń lọ tó máa ń padà sí o tó máa jẹ́ kẹ́míkà wọn fún ọ̀gbẹ́ ìpínlẹ̀ ìjọba ẹ̀dá wọn fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti wọn náà ti bá tó wà ní ọkọ̀ wò bá tó wà ní Nàìjíríà lábàtà ìlú fún òfin balẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn ń da mẹ́ta lé ní àmọ́ wọ́n tíyàn gbé ni àwọn èèyàn lọ fún àgbà mọ́ tí yóò bá máa rí ìmúdà kan amẹ́ta lẹ́rẹ̀ jáde tó wọ́n lọ sí ẹni tí yóò bá
All right, so what do we know so far? We've been here and we've spoken to several of his fans, his supporters, and his family members, and they are very adamant in Nigeria. They want him free and they want him to leave the country because for the right of the herdsman, and he shouldn't at all assured in Nigeria. The main example of Biola and assassin they insist they wherever he wants to live, which was Germany. What we know so far, he was interrogated this morning by the Beninese police. His wife was also interrogated this morning by the police, and he has been charged with inciting rebellion. Remember, he became very earlier this year. He announced an ultimatum against this in the region. Since then, he has people all the Igboho. So still live at the appeal, waiting for Igboho. He's late. He was supposed to be here by 10. It is 11:06 now, and well, they are going to patient. They really hope the president will take the right decision and have him freed, because they truly believe he has done nothing and ever he in the world.